In primetime news this evening, making an assessment, PAHO to say in 2 weeks if COVID vaccine safe for people over 65. Doubling down, Security Minister reiterates desire to have freer hand to fight crime. 2 men charged with murder of Clarendon pastor.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Vashon Brown. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, would you be willing to give up certain freedoms if it results in a safer society?
You can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.